Hamster Kombat minigame key puzzle. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice and you are going to get it. Move the green candle to the left, the red candle upward, the green candle to the right, the red candle upward, the green candle to the right, the red candle downward, the key to the left, the red candle upward. Then you move the green candle to the left, the red candle downward, then the green candle to the right, the red candle upward, move the key to the middle, then the red candle upward, the green candle to the left, then the red candle downward, move the key to the right, the red candle downward, the green candle to the left, the red candle upward, then you slide the key. Boom. Do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel where we'll be giving you latest updates and a lot of airdrops that will be launching very soon. So if you want updates on how to make money through airdrop, make sure you join our Telegram channel because we are going to be guiding you through.